This video is prepared by two students named Anokhi Mulrajani and Mitsa Janjrukia, who are studying in Fatima Convent High School, Bhavnagar. They are students like you, but they are contributing towards this YouTube channel with a selfless motive. So I expect you all to pay respect to them while watching the video.
Computer Studies Standard 10th English Medium. Most important MCQs of chapter number 13. First, C language provides the basic types of precision structure statements. The correct answer is option A, 2. Second, the dash is one of the powerful statement for transferring control and instruction exclusion. The correct answer is option B, if. Third, which of the following is the simplest form of decision structure statement? The correct answer is option A, if. Fourth, in simple if statement there is dash statement block. The correct answer is option A, only one. Fifth, the if statement can be used in dash different ways. The correct answer is option C, 4. Sixth, the statement gets excluded only when test expression is true. The correct answer is option C, simple if. Seventh, the test expression of if statement contains dash the result of same way be true or false. The correct answer is option A, logical operator. Eighth, test expression of if statement is always written in dash. The correct answer is option D, bar brackets. Ninth, it is necessary to write compound statement of if in dash. The correct answer is option D, curly brackets. 10th, which of the following cannot be used as test expression with if? So the correct answer is option C, n is equal to 5. 11th, dash statement has two statement blocks. The correct answer is option B, if else. 12th, dash is used to perform some process when test expression is evaluated to true and some other process if test expression is evaluated to false. The correct answer is option A, if else. 13th, when if statement is used within another if statement, it is called dash. The correct answer is option C, nested if. 14th, when chain of if statement are used in else block of nested if statement, it becomes dash statement. Option D, else if ladder. 15th, when if statement is written using many if statements together, it is known as dash. The correct option is else if ladder. 16th, C language provides multi-way of precision statement called dash to simplify the program. The correct answer is option D, switch. 17th, each case option of switch statement contains dash. The correct option is option A, constant. 18th, each case label of switch statement ends with dash. The correct option is option B, colon. 19th, ANSI C allows maximum of dash case labels. The correct answer is option D, 257. 20th. The dash statement is used to terminate the case statement block. The correct answer is option B, break. 21st. Switch is used in place of dash. The correct answer is option C, else if ladder. 22. Each case statement of switch contains dash constant. The correct answer is option C, 1. 23rd. When two case is found during exclusion of switch statement, the dash statement block is excluded. The correct answer is option B, default. 24. The switch statement needs only dash argument. The correct answer is option A, 1. 25th. The dash statement is switch statement can be used only once. The correct answer is option B, default. 26th. What is the value of variable s after the exclusion of following statement? Integer x is equal to 3, char s, switch, bracket open, case 1, s is equal to a, break, case 2, s is equal to b, break, case 3, s is equal to c, break, and case 4, s is equal to d, break, bracket close. The correct answer is option C, C. 27th. What is the value of variable sum after the exclusion of following code? Integer number 1 is equal to 5, number 2 is equal to 10, and sum is equal to 0 if, bracket open, number 1 is greater than number 2, bracket close, sum is equal to sum plus number 1, semicolon, f, else, sum is equal to sum plus number 2, semicolon, then the answer is 10. 28. What is the value of variable flag after the exclusion of following statement? Integer flag is equal to 0 if, bracket open, 5 is greater than 8, bracket close, curly bracket open, flag is equal to 1, semicolon, and bracket close. So the answer is option B, 1. What will be the output when following program segment is excluded? Integer number 1 is equal to 10, number 2 is equal to 20 if, bracket open, number 1 plus number 2, bracket close, is greater than 35, or number 1 is greater than number 2, bracket close. Printf %d number 2 as printf %d number 2. So the answer is 20. 30th. What will be the output when following program segment is excluded? Char is equal to a, switch, char, bracket open, case 1, printf a, break, case 2, printf b, break, and case 3, printf c, break. So the correct answer is A,